Hi, I'm Andrew Mackenzie. My current role at ATL is Head of Operations for the UK. I am responsible for the management and direction of both the operations and quality teams. I began my career at ATL as a cell production technician in 2007. During my training period, I worked on simple fuel cells with the assistance of the more experienced and skilled technicians around me. As my skills and experience grew, so did my quality and efficiency, allowing me to move on to more complex cells and materials. Cells for use in Formula One are among the most complex we manufacture and can take up to 4 weeks to build. I was proud to be part of the team manufacturing these cells for over 5 years. From cell production, I moved into a role in the quality department, where I worked with other members of the team to create and deliver the first ever training program. This has been in use for the last 10 years, helping to grow the team to over 80 technicians today. A further 2 years in the quality department as a quality engineer allowed me to expand my knowledge and skill set in another area of ATL. I was exposed to many new challenges while using my previous experience to assist in the investigation and subsequent resolution of issues, both internally and externally. In 2016, I had the opportunity to move up to the cell production manager role. There was a steep learning curve, as this was my first management position and something which I found challenging. But with the support of those around me, I grew into the role. A desire to move back into a quality role led me into the position of quality supervisor in 2019. This role had the responsibility for the day-to-day workload of the department while supporting other quality functions within the business. I find myself increasingly involved in larger scale R&D projects and moved into a new role as production engineer senior manager. One of my first projects in this role was to carry out an investigation into our fuel cell design and material behavior in the event of a significant accident. The results of this investigation were considered when the regulations were updated for the following season by the governing body. Further projects followed to help improve the quality of ATL's products and associated methods of manufacture. 2022 saw another opportunity, this time to move into a leadership role as head of production, which has now evolved into the head of operations for the UK. In this role, I am responsible for all production areas within the factory. Together with the managers and supervisors in these areas, we manage the day-to-day activities while continuously improving our processes, procedures and product. As I have progressed through the business, I have realized that there is always something new to learn, an area which can be improved or a process which can be honed. We have 3 core values at ATL. We welcome challenge, embrace accountability and demonstrate respect. These values are used every day to ensure that we do not rest on our laurels and strive to improve in everything we do. ATL is a unique and exciting company to work for. There are challenges to overcome regularly, but as a team we are able to work through them to achieve the desired results. ATL are the market leader in fluid containment solutions, and we continue to grow as a business, innovating where possible and diversifying into new markets such as marine, military and aerospace, while still growing market share within motorsport and automotive sectors. The most fulfilling part of my current role is building a high-performance team, striving to build a quality product on time, every time. ATL has supported me throughout my journey, with colleagues willing to give help and advice where necessary and providing the tools required to complete my roles successfully. Over the past few years, there has been a significant increase in ATL's investment in people, with the introduction of key roles responsible for developing employees at all levels, giving access to training courses and providing specific coaching in relevant areas. The methods used to manufacture our products are unique, and the knowledge gained during training allows people the opportunity to progress through to higher levels and beyond. We always look to promote from within, giving people the opportunity to progress through the business. The knowledge gained in one area can often be beneficial in another, even if this is not obvious at first glance. Those who demonstrate our values, show dedication and hard work, are rewarded, and there are lots of opportunities to progress within ATL. There is no doubt that we manufacture a highly technical product, which requires the input of many skilled people throughout the process. Our customers really appreciate our work on safety and innovation. I believe the supportive environment is one of the main reasons ATL is a great place to work.